top of the morning. It's really early in the morning. I'm at Sherwin-Williams Paint. They open at 7 a.m. and I needed to come early because they close at 5 p.m. and so I just haven't been able to get there, you know, because I work during the day. So I thought it was best that I come out here before work. Also, Floor Decor opens at 7 a.m. too, so I thought I could knock both of those out before work because they close at 6, and so it's just been really tight trying to hit all these stores that are closing earlier during the work week. So I'm here today and I'm going to pick out the paint for the house, exterior, interior, front door, all of that. So today is the day that I choose the paint colors, so we will see. I also have these flooring samples that I want to take with me. I don't know if I'm going to go with the gray hardwood. I probably won't, but I am going to take this one, this one. This is like a very, we're going to go like these. I think I like these. I'm back at Floor Decor. I picked out the paint at Sherwin-Williams. I love the choices that I made. A lot of the choices that I made had to do with the recommendations that you guys gave me in the comment section about the exterior colors. I chose a sage color, but I chose a sage that wasn't so so green, so that it kind of, let's see, this color, it wasn't as like pigmented green as the other colors. It's not blue, but I feel like it's more of like a medium in between. So anyways, I chose that color and I'm happy with it. But now I'm about to pick out the rest of the tile for the guest bathroom and also some backsplash for the kitchen as well. So I'm gonna take my flooring sample back in there, and I'm also going to take my zircon sample as well so that I can see what that looks like, especially for the backsplash in the kitchen, because the backsplash will actually be on the wall. So to see what that looks like with the paint will be important. The cabinets are white in the kitchen, but this will be the color of the floor in the kitchen as well. So making sure that all of those go together. And then I'll take these samples with me when I go to the granite store as well. I feel like it's different in here. Why these are different tile? Never mind. Maybe I need to go to the next tile. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this. Anthony just found out that he's on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm Anthony. Come see us.
Okay. Okay, so this is a possible wall tile. This is not really, but this one is probably second. But this will go with this floor, but if we do this, we probably need to find a different floor.
Different floor.
And we found the backsplash. So we're looking at this tile for the floor. Yep.
So did you do your Your paint.
Oh no, what is it?
But we did your paint with it, and we saw that it was almost like the same color. Okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna be hot.
We have to do I mean, if I'm going with similar to that granite over there, it'll be good because it will look darker.
Mm-hmm.
But then it's Venetian bronze fixture, so it'll be dark. It'll be dark too.
Okay.
So this is for the guest bath. This one is the octagon is the floor tile. And what's the other one called? I guess the rectangle one is the wall tile, and it'll be like this orientation on the wall.
So we don't know what color we want to go with this one. Did you want to use the same?
I think it's gonna. No, I think we need to go darker in that bathroom because both of these are pretty light.
Yeah.
Then we'll do cobblestone in the master.
You see one that you like? Did you want to see it together?
Make it darker.
Darker than that? Charcoal?
Yeah, make it charcoal.
Right. I like anything except for black.
I am so happy because I am almost done picking out everything for the house. I'm about to go pick out the granite. I'm going to a showroom that my contractor recommended. I also looked at some granite and Floor Decor just in case to compare price. So I have an idea when I'm there, and if it's more expensive, then I'll just come back to Floor Decor. But hopefully, I think they'll have more options because this supplier focuses on just stone, generally speaking. So everything in their store is stone. So they should have a lot of options, I assume. The countertops will be the same in the kitchen and the both bathrooms that are being renovated.
He told me that you, depending on the size and stuff, you might need one or two. But I thought what we could do is walk through and look at the stuff that you kind of liked. And then if I think of something that's a really big slab that we've got one of, then I might pull it out and show it to you.
Okay. That's nice. That looks really good too.
Very good.
Let me get close to it. This one, I don't think I like it anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, this one was a really good one. And this one next to it. So I think the decision is whether I want to go warm or cool. Between, like, if I were to choose between these two. I really think I like this one. I'm kind of torn between this one and this one. This one is more warm, and since there's gonna be a lot of gray in the bathrooms, I was thinking to warm it up a bit with the countertop. But this one will blend in a lot better because it has mostly gray, blacks, and whites, and it would match the backsplash that I already picked out. If I go with this one, I would have to choose a whole new backsplash, which is fine. So it's just thinking through what I prefer, the warmer tone, the cooler tone, and whether I want to choose another backsplash. So, you know, I think I want to go with this one. I think I want it. It has grays, it has warm tones. Yeah. So we have a new window here. There's a new window over here. New window here in the living room. They haven't replaced the windows in here yet, but these windows are going to be replaced next. In the bathroom, they replaced the floor. They have prepped for tiling the surround for the tub, the new cabinets, and the granite countertops have been installed here. They've also replaced the door frame here. So that they made that smaller. As well as, so this door has been replaced here. And they redid the door frame there. They replaced the bathroom doors in there. The countertops in here have been installed in the kitchen. It's dusty here, but this is more like what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell. It's super pretty. The countertops are, they have some warm tones in them, some black, some gray. And they just kind of prepped the back of the wall for the tile that's gonna go in. Nothing back here. It looks like they've just done some prep work for paint. Yeah, it looks like they've done some prep work for paint. Here. They did some prep work for the tile, for the shower here. They've also put down the prep work for the floors. The countertops are installed. Of course, like there's like all these countertops, but that's what that looks like. And so it's the same countertops in both bathrooms and in the kitchen. Beautiful granite. Walls are prepped, showers prepped. It looks like they went in and fixed, because I remember in the ceiling, there were pop nails in the ceiling, and then you can kind of see the seams for the drywall that was in the ceiling. So it looks like they went and prepped and did some drywall work to cover those seams and to remove those pop nails as well. Yeah. Also, there are new windows in the kitchen that have been installed. And, oh, they put a new trim for the kitchen entrance. This is gonna look good. I want to replace this light. I would like to get this light replaced. Because this is that old light's like super out of place. They had to redo the entire ceiling in here, in the dining room. So I don't know if you remember, there was a crack in the ceiling. So all of that has been replaced. And then they did the ceiling to match the living room ceiling. So they just stippled the ceiling to match, and now they're going to put that fixture back up. They also repaired the ceiling. They also repaired the ceiling in this room.